Hello everyone, this is your inventor guy here and I'm going to be explaining how to make a water dispenser with the ultrasonic sensor and the motor driver. So let us see the basic physical connections. So first of all, here we have our Arduino Uno, which is mounted up with the motor driver, and in the motor driver I have connected some random wires to the pump. So let us see how does it works. To do that, I'm going to flip it. So guys, now I have flipped it, so let's power it on and let's see if it works. So guys, right now let us power it up by plugging in first the Arduino Uno and next the wire which is connected to the the motor driver. So trying to plug it in, and here you can see the beautiful water pump which will be running. When I place the hand over here, it do a real large pump, and this it will there's a little bit of current flowing in it. That's it. It is really perfect. And it is right now running, so there's a really small connection issue which turns on the pump. You can see it works really well. So guys, right now let us see the physical connections over here. So guys, over here you can see the physical connections. So these are the analog pins from AO0 to AO5, and next of all we are having the ground connections. So for the ground connections, you should not connect the pump over here. I'm just connecting the ultrasonic sensors wire. So the red one is the 5 volt and the gray one is ground. So that means the connection is to go. And this blue wire which you are seeing here is the trigger pin from A0 and the white wire from A1. So that's it, is the connections. And for the pump guys, you will find a mount like cable over here. So you can see this one. First of all, you have to buy this motor driver. I would recommend you buying the pinups because I didn't have a pinups. That is a really bad problem over here. And next of all, here we are having the positive and the negative which is being connected and being coded. You will have two options over here. You can just choose any one of them, and I have chosen the upper one, and this is the lower one. So there you can actually connect 4 motor pumps. Next of all is this small port. So this small port is for connecting from 5 volt to 9 volt positive and negative. Here you can see M plus and ground. M plus means the positive wire of the USB cable which you can see, and the black wire or the ground is for the negative connections to the motor driver. And here in the chip you can find 3 different types of chips. There are the both over here. This two over here is L2D39. So we have already put a video about it while the motor was working. It's like actually the motor driver. It also came with our Ilgo Arduino kit. And next of all, over in the center you will find something 5N. So I couldn't find the transistor name, but that also helps in this process. So this is just a mount of the the cable. So and you can also find the main base which is the Arduino over here, and this is the ultrasonic sensor. I was using this power bank as my power source. So there are 2 ports, and the one is for the Arduino and the second is for the the motor driver. So you have to both plug it in to make the water pump very colorfully running. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.